So one of the things we're always doing is we're trying to make things as convenient as possible for our customers. So we've introduced an update notifier, and we will actually put this into all our panels, but currently it's only at the time when that video here will be released, it's for Unify, it's definitely the case. So this gear icon here is actually also a notifier for updates. So as you can see, I am up to date right now. I will just add this in our database so we can show you what it looks like if you restart the plugin and there is an update available. So the blue color, which is currently only for the update, shows you there is an update available. So if I click on the gear icon, I can also see the update is the 2.0.1. So just talking about the number, the 2 is actually the version of the plugin. We are now in the second version. There is actually everything has changed from CEP to UXP. Then the second number is if we are adding big new features, then we will change the second number, and the third number is bug fixes, or if Adobe has changed something for a new Photoshop version, and we need to change the third number. So the third number is basically service fixes. One thing that is new is if you click here on update, Photoshop will ask for permission, and if I allow that, it will directly download the CCX file. So you only need to click that downloaded file and it will install via the Creative Cloud desktop application. You don't need to restart Photoshop. You don't need to, well, the plugin will be restarted, obviously. So if you are in the middle of the work, I won't do this, but as soon as everything is closed, and so nothing can happen, basically. So this is a really, really nice way. And then if you updated the plugin, let's just set this back to the actual current version. It will turn white again, and then you're up to date. By the way, you can also click on the flyout menu to check your version number. That's the installed version number. So whatever version you've installed will always be shown there. Sometimes it's convenient to know where I can look for the version number, because support might ask for it, or also the communication in emails and on our Facebook groups. We will always tell you the number that's available. You can also go to our website, log in with your purchase email, and then download the version. The latest version. We always have the latest version on the website as well. But it's really convenient to have it actually in the panel, a little notifier that says, there is an update for you.